Have you ever wondered what just 5 minutes of planking daily can do for your body? Planking is a simple yet effective exercise that can profoundly impact your health and fitness. This video will explore the benefits of incorporating a 5-minute planking routine, the correct way to do planks, the variations of the plank exercise, and the precautions you should take while planking. Planking is not just about building a solid core, it also helps improve posture, balance, and stability. Consistency is critical to reaping the full benefits of planking. By committing to just 5 minutes a day, you can see significant improvements in your strength and endurance over time. Benefits of planking. Number 1. Core strengthening. Planking for just 5 minutes daily can work wonders for strengthening your core muscles. Your core is crucial in maintaining proper posture and stability in everyday activities. You can target and strengthen the deep core muscles that support your spine and pelvis by engaging in a regular planking routine. Muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, obliques, and erector spinae, are activated during a plank. These muscles work together to stabilize your body and prevent excessive strain on your lower back. By holding a plank position, you build strength in your core and improve your overall balance and coordination. The long-term benefits of a strong core extend beyond just physical appearance. A strong core can enhance your performance in sports and other physical activities, reduce the risk of injuries, and improve your overall quality of life. So, commit to planking for 5 minutes daily and experience the transformative effects of a stronger, more stable core. Note 2. Improved posture. Regular planking can be a game changer when it comes to improving your posture. A strong core plays a vital role in maintaining proper spinal alignment, which is essential for good posture. By strengthening the muscles around your spine through planking, you can help prevent slouching and reduce the risk of developing postural issues. Maintaining proper form during the exercise is essential to maximize the benefits of planking for posture improvement. Keep your body straight from head to heels, engage your core muscles, and avoid sagging or arching your back. By practicing the correct form, you can effectively target the muscles that support a healthy posture. The connection between posture and overall body health cannot be overstated. Poor posture can lead to muscle imbalances, joint pain, and digestive issues. Regular planking into your fitness routine can strengthen your core, improve your posture, and enhance your overall body alignment for better health and well-being. Note 3. Increased endurance. Daily planking can significantly impact your overall physical and mental endurance levels. Holding a plank requires physical strength and mental fortitude to push through discomfort and fatigue. You can gradually build up your endurance and resilience by challenging yourself to maintain a plank for 5 minutes daily. To further enhance your endurance during a plank, consider incorporating variations that target different muscle groups and increase the intensity of the exercise. Try lifting one leg or arm off the ground, adding side planks, or incorporating dynamic movements like plank jacks or mountain climbers. These variations can help challenge your endurance and keep your workouts engaging. The increased endurance gained from daily planking can also translate to improved performance in other physical activities. Whether you're a runner, a weightlifter, or enjoy recreational sports, a strong core and enhanced endurance can boost your stamina, power, and overall athletic performance. So commit to your daily planking routine and watch your endurance levels soar to new heights. Note 4. Muscle definition. Consistent planking can be vital to achieving muscle definition and toning your physique. Through bodyweight exercises like planks, you can stimulate muscle hypertrophy, which is the process of muscle growth and development in response to resistance training. Planking engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the core, shoulders, arms, and legs, leading to increased muscle activation and development. In addition to the functional benefits of a strong core, regular planking can also yield aesthetic rewards in the form of toned and defined muscles. As you progress in your planking routine and increase the duration or intensity of your holds, you may notice improvements in muscle definition, particularly in your abdominal area, arms, and shoulders. For optimal results in achieving muscle definition through planking, it's essential to complement your workouts with a balanced diet that supports muscle growth and recovery. Combining consistent planking with proper nutrition can sculpt a lean, defined physique that reflects your hard work and dedication. Note 5. Mental focus. Incorporating planks into your daily routine can offer many mental benefits beyond physical fitness. Physical exercise, including planking, has enhanced mental clarity, focus, and overall cognitive function. Engaging in a challenging exercise like planking can help sharpen your mind, improve concentration, and boost your mood. To maximize the mental benefits of planking, focus on your breathing during the exercise. Deep, controlled breathing can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and enhance your ability to stay present and focused during a 5-minute plank. Practice inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth to promote relaxation and mental clarity. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in optimizing the mental benefits of planking. By staying present in the moment, focusing on your form, and tuning into your body's sensations, you can cultivate a sense of mindfulness that carries over into other aspects of your life. Embrace the mental challenge of planking and harness the power of focus and mindfulness to enhance your physical and mental well-being. In conclusion, a daily 5-minute planking routine can benefit your overall health and well-being. By consistently engaging in this simple yet effective exercise, you can strengthen your core, improve your posture, boost your endurance, and enhance your mental focus. Planking targets key muscle groups supporting your spine and pelvis, leading to a more robust and stable core. This, in turn, can help improve your posture, reduce the risk of injuries, and enhance your overall body alignment. Additionally, building endurance through daily planking can elevate your performance in various physical activities and sports. Executing the perfect plank, a comprehensive guide. Selecting a position that permits full body extension is essential. Utilizing a workout mat ensures sufficient padding for comfort while in a quadrupedal stance. Opt to perform the plank on either your palms or forearms. 1. Assume a plank position with forearms and toes in contact with the floor, gazing downward. Align your forearms forward, positioning your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Maintain a relaxed head while focusing on the floor. 2. Engage your abdominal muscles by drawing your navel towards your spine. Ensure a rigid and straight torso, creating an uninterrupted line from ears to toes, avoiding sagging or bending. This neutral spine position prevents shoulder slumping and keeps heels above the toes. 3. Hold this posture for 10 seconds, then gently lower yourself. 4. Gradually increase the duration to 30, 45, or 60 seconds over time. Exploring plank variations. Plank exercises offer many benefits and can be performed in numerous ways, each targeting different body parts. Incorporate these variations into your workout regimen. Side plank enhances oblique strength and spine stability. Lie on your side, ensuring straight legs. Prop yourself up using your right forearm, aligning your body in a diagonal line from head to feet. Keep both hips and knees elevated off the ground. Utilize your left hand on the floor for balance if needed. Reverse plank fortifies the glutes and lower body, particularly hamstrings and lower back. Sit with legs extended forward on the ground. Place palms on the floor just below your shoulders. In a reverse plank, engage your buttocks and thighs, lifting your body upward. Begin with elbows on the floor for added support if necessary. Ensure your body forms a straight line. Arm or leg lift planks intensifies muscle engagement, enhancing strength and endurance. Incorporate these into your routine to substitute or complement standard planks. From a forward plank position, lift an arm or a leg, strengthening the upper back, chest, and core. Raising an arm targets shoulder muscles while lifting a leg works the sides and glutes. Here are some precautions you should take for planking. While planking is beneficial, certain precautions are necessary. If experiencing neck or lower back pain, you might lack the necessary strength or apply excessive pressure, potentially compressing vertebrae or straining the spine. Initiate planking for a few seconds initially to avoid exacerbating any existing injuries. Avoid sagging hips, head, and shoulders to prevent injuries in targeted muscle areas. Maintain proper hand placement to avoid balance issues and ensure stability. Breathe deeply and avoid holding your breath to ensure continuous oxygen supply, which is vital for exertion. For prolonged planking, flex your abs or attempt more challenging variations to avoid complacency. If existing back pain from strained muscles or injured discs is a concern, consider crunches, which strengthen the core without flexing the spine. Consult a physician to assess your physical condition and obtain guidance before starting any exercise regimen. We encourage you to start or continue your daily planking routine to experience these transformative effects firsthand. Share your progress and challenges with us in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a stronger, healthier, and more focused version of ourselves through the power of planking. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and unlock our full potential. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you liked the video.